soil health, is if we go with that principle that we want to work with the existing carbon that's in the atmosphere and the nitrogen that's in the atmosphere, like 70 some odd% of our atmosphere is nitrogen, yet we pump our soils with synthetic nitrogen. So all our resources are airborne. Mm-hmm. And we just need to move them into the soil. And the plants do that. They naturally have done this for longer than humans have been on the planet. They move the resources that they need from the air, and they make mass out of gas. So if you take that making mass out of gas and you allow the plants to do their magic, which means keeping the ground covered with living plants as much as you can all over the planet, all over throughout the year, these plants will move CO2 out of the atmosphere. And especially for us in California with fire issues, a lot of people think there's a one-size-fits-all approach, like planting trees is the way we can solve the climate crisis. Planting trees is important, but it has to come within the context of the rainfall pattern, soil type, cultural practice of a region. Planting trees just ubiquitously with whatever species is not necessarily the most helpful approach.